Admonition 19. Ask not a dervish in poor circumstances and in the distress of a year of famine how he feels, unless thou art ready to apply a salve to his wound, or to provide him with a maintenance. When thou seest a donkey fallen in mud with his load, have mercy in thy heart, and step not on his head. But when thou hast gone and asked him how he fell, gird thy loins and take hold of his tail like a man. And, well, when you help somebody who's down, you guard yourself against some folly. But maybe knowing how they sailed will keep you from failing.